Welcome, my name is Bill Lehmkuhl, and we're here today at Precision Agri Services Incorporated in Minster, Ohio, our main office with Noah Newman, and we're going to show you around our facility. So welcome to the showroom. This is where customers would come in. We have parts counter here, receptionist here, and a lot of row units and different things on display for customers to look at and show what we all have to offer here. And coming back into the facility, we have some workstations to our right. We have huddle room that we can have small meetings with customers. Here we have our main sales guy and COO, Chief Operating Officer, Justin's office. He takes care of the planner and technology side. One aspect of our business, we do planner and technology work, and we also have an independent agronomy department. We do 100% independent agronomy. We have 3 full-time agronomists on staff, and we make recommendations, pull soil samples for farmers, and do everything associated with agronomy except sell product. So with that being said, we have our senior agronomist office here. The rest of the agronomy team resides in here where they do all their mapping and computer work. Spare sales office here. And we'll follow on back through here first. Supply room. This is our accounting office. Nancy Schwartz is our accountant and lead accountant and office manager, so she keeps busy all the time, keeping all of us straight. So we're proud of this. This is our diagnostics and support room. It's kind of bare right now, but in season, we will have every monitor, everything that we sell will be running live in here. A lot of times when all of our techs are on the road in the spring and busy season, I will be in here myself and answering phone calls, directing techs out on service calls. We do have our own support number where customers can call in and it rings everybody's cell phones. And if we don't answer, they can leave a message. I keep track of all that in here as well. We have a dashboard up on the computer here all the time. So we have loaner equipment should a system go down or a display go down for customers. And of course, everybody knows that on the technology side, you will trade in used equipment. And so we keep some of that stuff in here as well. So, but no, it's kind of neat when you got everything running in here and you can actually punch around, and or you can bring customers in to show them displays and different things like that. One of the unique things I think everybody's aware of in the precision ag industry is the ability for remote support now, where we can tap into their displays in the cab, whether that be Ag Leader, PTX Trimble, or Precision Planting now. With some of their things, we can see live what's going on the monitor and on the planner itself. And so out here's our main warehouse. This is all climate controlled. When we designed and built the building, we went up high. We've got a reach truck that we can go clear to the top and keep skids of parts, but then all our small parts are broke out underneath row by row. So our parts and warehouse manager, Brent, can pull parts for customers, and we even have an after-hours parts pickup location that customers, if they tell us they can't get here, we can put it in the room. That room is monitored by camera and has a code on the outside door, or they can just come through that door, pick their parts up and take them. That's also our FedEx and UPS drop as well. So, but again, all the small parts and everything is out here in the different bins. So one of the things we do at Christmas time, and the agronomy team here is doing it for most of our agronomy customers, and that we make up little gift baskets and stuff to take to customers and discuss if they've got any agronomy needs coming up or anything they need. Now, some of those customers are technology and planter customers as well, so things kind of cross over. So here's our shop. So this is where a lot of the in-house installations take place. We will do installs on the road as well, of course. We have a hydraulics trailer set up. We can do hydraulic installations on the road. We have a hydraulic set up here as well. Small parts area for connectors, electrical connections that they use here in the shop. So other than that, not much different than anybody else's shops that are out there. One of the things we did when we built the building to make it more comfortable for our guys working in the shop, we put in a heated floor for the guys, and that's worked out very well. They like it, of course. So coming around here, of course, we've got the shop office for the team that works out here. One of the things we're kind of proud of we did, or an idea we had at the time, was we do a lot of liquid work as far as modules, different things like that, tear down hydraulic cylinders. So we've got our own room, what we call this the clean room. We keep the mess out of the shop and in here. Everything is washable in here. When we tear down at this table, for example, everything, all the oil and everything is captured, and that mess is contained. Fertilizer and different things like that. Everything here goes to central sewer, so we're safe with that type of thing. Other than that, just kind of unique. We've actually, this, believe it or not, was an autopsy table that we got and use, and it's came in handy as everything can drain and go from there. So